It's Jonathan Livingston Seagull, but when the seeker... Same. An outcast rejects the flock to seek something higher, but he's a hippie named Hippie, not a seagull. Same. A mentor appears at the edge of despair, but this mentor is a giant who surfs into a storm, leaving you to drown with a riddle. Same. Final transcendence is a letting go, but here letting go means surrendering to the abyss, not perfect flight. But the ultimate flight is learning to fall. Nadalada Was a Nothing Head by Terry Lancaster. Same spiritual rush, but here you crash into the sea and become it. Does true freedom require the death of the self?